time in a long time. Oh yeah, you play inside. First time in a long time. Trust, watching my back even when I'm in the booth. I'll trust who. Doing my thing, but I'm down to come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the way though. So let's do. I take it. I want you. I know you're not an angel. Not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time.
Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is going to be all about getting back on track after traveling. I got home yesterday morning. We had a red-eye flight. I got home at 7 a.m. yesterday. Stayed up the entire day until 8 p.m. when I crashed, and I went to bed at 8 p.m. I typically go to bed at midnight or 1, so that was really crazy for me, and I woke up around 10. So I got a lot of rest. I still don't feel well rested. I'm just adjusting to the time changes and the fact that I haven't been on a normal routine for such a long time. But I wanted to film today for you guys to talk to you guys about kind of how I get back on track, how I plan to get back on track, and taking you guys to the gym with me, as well as showing you guys some packages. And I have client calls today, so it's really going from travel content to like back to my life. This morning I made my protein oats, which I miss so much. I miss being able to eat home cooked food a lot. Obviously traveling was such a privilege and it was so nice to eat out and stuff, but I love home cooked meals, and as you guys see on my content, I cook a lot, so I really missed it, and I'm very happy to be back into the swing of that. So I had my protein oats, and I am gonna eat my vitamins later, both from Women's Best. My Women's Best code is Legs with Schmegs. That saves you guys 10%. Shopping through the link down below directly tracks to me and gives me 10% commission, which is obviously super appreciated. I use my gym bag as my carry-on bag for traveling, so I need to empty that out and then put all my gym stuff back in.
Cause I'm wavy, I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I do mean, and I don't want you. First time in a long time, hurting, we be inside. First time in a long time, hurting, we be. Yeah.
I am back from the gym. My workout overall was really good, but I feel so weak. My workouts are intense and I always work out and train hard, but my muscles don't usually like shake. They felt like that. I wasn't doing them at my heaviest weight. I wasn't doing them at my highest intensity. So that was like a little sad, but I know that it'll all come back in its baby steps. I mean, I took so much time off from literally lifting a single pound. I do feel like the break was really needed for me. I was just getting into this routine of going to the gym and just going and doing my workout and leaving and recording it and posting it. Not being in this routine of I'm so excited to train and I'm doing things that I'm challenging my body. Like, yes, I was challenging myself, but I don't feel like I was challenging myself how I used to. Like, I just felt like I was in a fitness funk. The rest of today is going to be a pretty big life admin day, just trying to get back on the swing of things and back on track. But the gym itself went really well. I'm actually filming a week of workouts as well, which is what today's workout is going to be in. So that's why I didn't put a voiceover in this video. It's going to be in an upcoming week of workout video that's all going to be focused on getting back on track and kind of how how I scale intensity to get back on track and just taking you guys through a realistic week of workouts as someone who hadn't trained, which I think is great because I think it's important that I don't show my best week of workouts, right? Like you have to show sorry, my garage lights went off. You have to show the process of this is life. We take vacations and we come back and we bounce back, and this is how I do it, because I feel like people are so used to seeing content that's perfect, like seeing people in the gym when they are hitting PRs and at their best. And we need to normalize also showing the fact that you're going to take breaks, you're going to regress, you might not feel your best, and that's okay. You just have to push through it. And that's kind of my biggest thing and why I showed up for the gym today. Like I could have just taken this entire week off and started fresh next week, which is probably what I would have done in the past, but I genuinely craved and missed the gym and missed my routine, which shows me that I'm doing something right. Like it shows me that I'm working out for the right purpose and that working out is helping me far past how my body looks and stuff like that. Like it's never a chore. I wanted to go, which is great. And I feel like that's a really positive step in my relationship with fitness to kind of be at that point, because kind of like I mentioned to you guys, and I have a full fitness journey video that's either out or coming out soon, so make sure you guys watch that. But kind of how I talked about him there, my reason for training to start was because I used to have a structure of a sport, or because I wanted to change my body, and then it was because I wanted to be super strong. And now I'm kind of in this phase where it's like I don't really have like a set why or like a set tunnel vision as to what my mission is or like my goals are right now. And I think that's great, but I also think sometimes that's like your motivation to show up. And I'm happy that even though I don't have that tunnel vision of I want to hit X PR or do X, like I still wanted to go, because that just shows that I genuinely love the gym and my routine. So I made some leftover salmon bowl to eat with my seaweed, and then this little rascal is barking at me. I don't really know why. Look, show them your bandana. Good, pretty girl. I'm feeling well fed, and now it's time to actually sit down on my computer and do the work that I've been putting off. I have a bunch of stuff that I want to accomplish today. The main things are kind of life admin, and then I have coaching calls later that I'll talk to you guys about later. For right now, my main priority is going to be my life admin stuff. So if you guys have been following me, then you know that last month I did a monthly reset video, which I highly recommend you guys watch. And in it, I kind of talked to you guys about my plans for each month of 2023 and just life moving forward to be better about being on top of things, especially financial, and looking at each month as a little piece in a larger thing. I was doing weekly resets when I was in college, which is perfect when you're in college because you don't have as much to worry about on a monthly basis. But now I feel like monthly resets are a lot more important for me when it comes to finances, my goals, my life, getting organized with work. And if you're somebody that works for yourself, if you do content creation, then you know money is flowing from different places and you really need to be on top of it. So this is kind of my day that I sit down and I say, how much did I make from this? How much did I make from this? Putting in your brand deals, making sure you're sending out invoices. Also, I look at my bank statements and I kind of categorize what I'm spending. Literally, I have a part for Target of how much money I spent at Target each month, groceries. So like certain things are obviously like non-negotiables, like your groceries, fixed fees like my gym fee, and some of my software fees that I pay. So just like getting a nice map of your spending, I think is super helpful. Once you graduate, I think it's super important to try to make a sheet that you can update. And then I also do monthly giveaways, and so I need to pick the winners because it's literally March 7th already.
Cause I'm wavy, I'm saying things that I don't mean, but I do mean, and I don't want you. First time in a long time, hurting, deeply inside. First time in a long time, hurting, deeply.
Hello vlog, it's a few hours later. I did a bunch of stuff on my computer, edited some stuff, and now I have a client call. This is a potential onboarding client, so I hop on Google Meet and I kind of chat through what my coaching program offers in more detail. We talk about my coaching program, we talk about you as a person, your goals. Coaching has been amazing so far. It's so wonderful to meet you guys, especially a lot of you guys from YouTube. The majority of my clients are from YouTube because you guys kind of get to see more of me than I feel like Instagram and stuff, and you guys really get to see the teaching side of things in more detail because that's what I do a lot on here. So yeah, it's always so nice to meet you guys. But I'm gonna go hop on this call. I have one right now, and then I have a call with my existing client at 7. So between those, I'm hoping I get to shower because I feel nasty. But I just took a shower. after my first call. It went so well. Absolutely love her already, and she's definitely gonna sign. Super nice to have client calls. I love meeting you guys again. Best experience ever. I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got in the mail while I was away. First thing, in my last video, I showed you guys an Honor crew neck and I mentioned how it looked like the older design. It was the older design. They sent me the wrong product. So this is the newer crew necks. So now I can finally like show these to you guys because I've actually never had an Honor crew neck before. And then I also got a zip up to go with the slate blue joggers because I didn't have a matching zip up or jacket or anything. These zip ups are like my favorite things ever because they're just so easy to throw on and actually take off. I wore the black one as my airport zip up on the way there and the way back and throughout hiking and stuff because it's super easy to just take off real quick and then put back on. Same with all the timeless jackets. I was wearing those throughout my trip because it's just so easy with a zip up. And then I also got a product from Cuts that I wanted to show you guys. If you guys aren't familiar, Cuts is a brand that I work with and they make very nice, long-lasting basics, which I feel like we all can't have enough of. So this is a new product coming in their new collection that is dropping on the 14th of March. So this is going to be the Almost Friday tee in Infinity Blue in their new collection that they are dropping. I'm obsessed with this color and I'm actually going to put all these products I just showed you on to wear for the rest of the day. Okay, here is the Cuts shirt on. Super cute, very comfortable, again, very breezy. And the back is just like high neck, just your classic basic shirt. And then let me show you guys. Loving a blue on blue, just super cozy moment. Honor sweats are my absolute favorite and I saw on Chrissy's story, it's gonna be launched very soon that they shop for. On Chrissy's story, this is not information that I'm not allowed to share. They have some sweats with like side pockets, kind of giving like a cargo streetwear kind of style, but like elevated. I don't know, everything Chrissy does, she does it good. So I can't wait to get my hands on those new pieces and also show you guys. My next call is with a current client. We're just gonna be touching base because obviously I was away for a while, so I didn't meet with my clients via Google Meet. So today I'm gonna meet with one, kind of chat about how things have been and then looking into the upcoming week so that we can be on top of that. And I'm meeting with clients throughout the week as well. So I'm super excited about that. It's always nice to chat with current clients and just see how they're doing and make sure that I'm helping them in any way. So yeah, I'm gonna hop on that call and then I'm gonna go downstairs and make dinner. Let's make some bang bang shrimp.
Save it, don't waste your time. Cause I'm wavy, I'm saying things that I don't mean, but I do mean, and I don't want you. First time in a long time, hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time, hurting deeply.
There are a lot of things that you have to do as like a content creator that are really just cringy when you're like by yourself and you look at it from an outside perspective and you're just like, you get the ick. There are certain things I won't do, like I'm not gonna get back in my bed after getting up and pretend to wake up, but I'll make it on the camera. I want to film a voiceover for my next reel. I'm gonna be filming the voiceover for that reel, but there's nothing more humbling and embarrassing than when you mess up, especially for YouTube when I do week of workouts, guys. When you mess up or you say or you say like, or you stutter or you misspeak and then you have to re-record the whole thing. It is so embarrassing, even if no one is listening to you do it. It's just something about it. It's just awful. It's like when you do a school project when you're in middle school and you have to like keep doing the slide over because you keep messing up. It's like that, but this is gonna go on the internet. But yeah, I'm actually gonna be getting ready to do my night routine that I told you guys I want to try to get back on track with. So I'm gonna put on my lo-fi music, try to read before bed, get my content prep. So all I have to do tomorrow is hit upload. I love when that's ready. When it's not, it's super stressful for me. Get to editing in my bed. I want to try to get those travel vlogs going so they can go up so then I can post this. Yeah, it's gonna be a really chill night and I'm just gonna close the video out now because I don't think you guys just want to watch me edit in my bed for a few hours. So love you guys so much. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, especially spending a day as I try to get back on track. I'm gonna be traveling a lot this year, so there's probably gonna be a lot of videos like this and I hope you guys enjoy them and I'm glad you guys watch them. So hopefully this resonates with people, and just remember that it's okay to take time off. It's okay to take weeks off. It's okay to not focus on what you're eating and just enjoy the moments that you have. I think it's so important and I wouldn't trade that trip for the world. I would do it over and over and over and over again. So just make sure that you're living in your moment, whether it's as simple simple as going to dinner with friends or saying yes to something you wouldn't usually say yes to. Like, don't cut yourself off from opportunities to have lifelong memories just for the gym, fitness. Obviously put your health and wellness first, but also put other things first too. Remember that the gym is always gonna be there for you whenever you're ready to go back. And even if you feel a little weak like I did today, we're gonna get our strength back in a few weeks. I'm sure when we talk again, I'm gonna be super proud and happy with where I'm at. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.